how to fix Wuthering Waves running but not opening on Epic Games. So if your Wuthering Waves is running but it is not still opening on Epic Games, it's actually rather quite simple to fix it. It's just that the game is still running somewhere in the background. Now if you're using Windows, you can go to your task manager and go to processes and end the task for Wuthering Waves. But if you're using on macOS, you can see Wuthering Waves over here. You can just right click on it and hit the quit button like this, and then that will help you solve the problem. If it's not helping, a simple thing is that you can just restart your PC. So depending upon whether you're using again Mac or Windows, go to your logo and then just make sure to restart it, and that should help you solve the problem. And now you should be able to launch the Wuthering Waves game. So I hope the video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, do feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.